Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I will show you how to see all the comments you have ever made on YouTube. It's a great way to track your engagement, find past conversations, or just reminisce about your YouTube journey. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the YouTube app on your phone. Okay, so once you are here, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Okay, so now you have to tap on Manage All History. Okay, so once you are here, tap on the Interactions page. Okay, so now you will see multiple options of video interactions. You have to simply tap on Comments and Replies. And this will show you a list of all the comments you have ever made on YouTube videos. Here you can scroll through all your comments. And you can also click on any comment to go directly to the video where you posted it. And that's it. You have now learned how to see all the comments you have ever made on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.